Genuine TRW remanufactured steering gears are made in America and are the finest replacement power steering assemblies available. TRW remanufactures pre-owned TRW steering assemblies using only genuine TRW components, while strictly adhering to proven manufacturing techniques and management practices that have positioned us as a global automotive parts and technology leader. Unlike the competition, genuine TRW remanufactured steering gears are not merely rebuilt, but completely remanufactured. They pass through an intensive 5-stage process, continuing through testing and final inspection, and return to service in like-new condition as a genuine TRW part. Before any steering gear assemblies can be remanufactured, they undergo a thorough inspection to ensure specific remanufacturing guidelines are met. Only qualifying assemblies are thoroughly cleaned and readied for the next stage. And because TRW is an environmentally conscious company, non-qualifying assemblies are recycled as scrap metal. During disassembly, the steering gear is completely torn down. Individual parts are inspected to ensure compliance, and all seals are removed. Rack pistons, worms, and valve housings are also removed, along with sector shafts, vent plugs, return guides, and poppets. All components travel through a 3-stage cleaning process to remove foreign contaminants and to ensure the integrity of critical assembly components. High-tech inspection techniques like magnafluxing reveal even the most minute defects to line technicians. Components are then reassembled to factory specifications. Seals, bearings, balls, and other small parts are replaced with current production parts. Preloaded bearing assemblies are set to TRW's proprietary specifications to ensure optimal performance. During this final stage, steering gears are performance tested for torque output and gear performance to ensure TRW's proprietary specifications are met. Testing of every gear is fully documented and digitally archived using its individual serial number. The assemblies are then given a final cleaning and a durable powder coat.